Yo, got $5,000 sitting in the bank? Congrats. You just bought yourself a front row seat to watch inflation eat your money alive. But don't worry, I've got the cheat codes to turn it into something useful. Step 1. Emergency Fund. Sounds boring? Good. That's exactly the point. $2,000 minimum, easy access, no touching unless your car explodes or the fridge dies mid-snack. More cautious? Stack 12 months of living expenses. Feeling reckless? 3 to 6 months is enough. Think of this as your don't panic button. Credit card bill hits? You're covered. Random oven meltdown? You're covered. Sale on sneakers? Not an emergency. Stop. Next, kill your high-interest debt. Credit card interest 40 to 50%. That's literally burning money in front of you. Don't be that guy. Paying off debt equals instant guaranteed return. Way better than gambling on maybe this stock goes up. Remember, debt is your wallet's vampire. Suck it dry or kill it. Your choice. Now, investing. This is where $5,000 stops being sad and starts working. Stocks, ETFs, real estate, crypto, hell, even cotton candy machines if you're creative. 3 rules. Open a brokerage account, preferably no fees. Learn the basics, 15 to 30 minutes a day. Easy. You're smarter than your phone thinks. Start small, start now. Buy fractional stocks, tiny ETFs, whatever you can afford. Habit greater than amount. Split example. $1,000 stocks, $2,000 ETFs, $500 crypto, $1,500 emergency fund. Boom. Diversification. Minimal effort. Maximum chaos for inflation. Step 4. Make more money. $5,000 is cute, but it's just a start. Side hustles, freelance gigs, selling online, teaching, content creation, whatever. More skills equals more value equals more cash. Reinvest everything you can. Compound interest doesn't care about excuses. Step 5. Protect it. Avoid 10% per month guaranteed scams. They're lying. Take care of your body and brain because no amount of money matters if you're miserable. And brace yourself for the slow grind. Investing is boring. Watching your money grow slowly, painful, but patience wins. So there it is. $5,000 can either rot in your bank or become the start of your freedom. Emergency fund, kill debt, invest, increase income, protect it. Follow these steps and $5,000 isn't just a number. It's your launch pad. Ignore it, and congrats. Inflation wins.